This car is a new Honda, and from the look of things, guys came and took all the four tires, and it's just next to the church. People no longer fear God. That's why when a nation is going down, nobody fears anything like God, because those who fear God will always know that they are doing wrong. In fact, the first thing they should have done, when you look at this church over here and the car is parked next, you get guilty. You feel convicted. You are guilty of doing something wrong. But they never did that. Look at what they did to this car. Look at how they damaged when it went down. It's a new car. That's very unfair. Guys, this is like the fourth car this month around this area. This is unfair. Keep America great again. Don't keep America down just the way it is. I'm really sorry about this. I have to report this because it's unfair. Thank you.